Hello there. Hi everyone. I am Dr. Srikanth. Today we will learn about the FertiZet, the Hysteromat, how to connect the tubes, how to sterilize them, and when you want to change the tubes, how to change those tubes. Okay, let us first connect the power supply. You will receive one connector and two irrigation tubes along with this machine, and you may also find few QR codes. They are about your machine serial number, etc. So I am connecting the power cord. Once you connect the power cord, the display will be on and the switch has to be in this mode. This is power off mode. When you are using foot switch, it has to be in power off mode. When you want to use the switch, you can simply switch on. Okay. Now let us see how to change the tube first. This is the inlet and this is outlet. Outlet is going into the sensor. From this we will connect this tube and to the scope. Thread it completely so that it will not disconnect when the fluid is flowing. And at this end we have a FertiZet connector only. It's very simple. Even if you lose this also, you can change one new one with a FertiZet connector. You can replace the FertiZet. Now I will show you how to change this inner tube. Usually you can use this minimum 3 to 6 months. For more period also you can use. So this is the tube. This is outer diameter 9 millimeters, inner diameter 6 millimeters. I will share the link where to purchase this tube when you require. And this tube which comes from the sensor outside is 6 mm outer diameter, 4 mm inner diameter. I will share both the links. This you have to purchase in either Robu or the same supplier, but this one I purchased from a robu.in website. I will share the link. So first of all, you should fix into this slot. There is a groove. Then you have to press the tube and insert in and slowly rotate the wheel. While rotating the wheel, you have to adjust the tube such that it is pushed inside. For the first time it may appear difficult, but it is not so difficult. You can easily insert this. Once it is fully pushed in, you should fix this in this slot. And you can check by powering it on. Now we will see how to sterilize the tubes. So this sensor has to be connected here. Now we will sterilize with the surgical spirit. I have a spirit bottle with me and oxygen mask tubing. This is regular oxygen mask tube. So you can connect at the inlet. And one end is dipped into the bottle. And you can start the machine. The spirit is sucked from the bottle and it circulates throughout the tubes. You can increase the speed if you want. And you can notice it will come out of this exit. Now it started flowing out. So once it starts from the exit point, you can turn off the machine and keep it for few minutes, maybe 3 minutes or 5 minutes, not more than that. This is for the first time only, because inside of the tube will also be sterilized with this surgical spirit. And once you are done, you can remove this from the bottle and you run only the pump, so that the whatever is the spirit present inside the tubes will be back into this bottle. And you can see how the spirit is flowing through this. Once we sterilize the tubes for the first time, during the procedure you can clean this tube with the spirit gauze, or you can disconnect at this point and keep it in a formalin chamber. You can disconnect this tube and keep it in a formalin chamber. Otherwise, if you have continuously cases, you can clean with the surgical gauze, the spirit gauze. Okay. Now let us connect a saline bottle and see. You can either use TURP set or a normal IV set. I have normal IV set. I have cut the end. You can see. I have cut the end, and you can insert it here. And the saline is open, and this is a sensor. It will connect at the lower end. Now I will show you. I will connect this outer end of the exit to the scope. This is a simple IV set connector. It firmly fixes into the scope. No need of any costly equipment or costly connectors. Even our tubes are very cheaper. They are available for 30 rupees or 40 rupees per meter. It's a platinum cured silicone tube. If you buy commercial, costly branded Hysteromat tubes, they are costing 25,000 only for the tubes. Our tubes will cost in less than 100-200 rupees. This 2 meters is enough for procedure, and this one you can connect a normal IV set or a TURP set. Okay, let me start the device. And by the way, here we have a speed controller. For around 9 o'clock position will be ideal for the procedure, but you can start with a 6 o'clock position. Here you can see, for the first time I am switching on the direct power, and whatever is the spirit inside will be cleaned with this saline. So you run it for few minutes. I think I have not connected it properly. Let me connect it properly. Yeah, now it is fine. You can see the flow. It is around 241 pressure, and when you are inside the uterus, definitely this pressure will go up. That time you may reduce this speed. Still the flow you can see, consistently it is flowing out. And sometimes when you increase the speed very much, the motor may stuck. That time you can reduce the speed and again increase the speed. I think this is clear how to use the FertiZet for the first time. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.